Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. See, without this, is it really me? So, what do I have to do today? Well, let's get out of the little bag, and I was making globes. So, let's take it all out, and I'm going to actually um, make a tutorial after I show you all of them. So let's take it out and get ready. And let's start by telling you what I used. So you know something's coming up. This is Anna Griffin Snow Globe cardstock and embellishments. And I've had it for like 2 years, and boy, when life throws you a curveball and you have to have operations and then complications, you kind of stop crafting. So this is 2 years old and I'm just not using it and having fun. And I used this die, first time ever that I've used this die, and it is Snow Globe Easel card die from 2022. 2020 also, not two, with this. So I used that. I did use these, and this one. I didn't use the snowman, but I used all that. I also wanted to show you that I have the Anna Griffin Snow Globe Shaker card kit. She sold it the following year. Never have used this, but I wanted to show you could do the same thing. And boy, is there a glare. Let me see if I can quit back a little. Anyway, I don't know what happened to the paperwork that went with this. If someone has the paperwork and can run me a copy of it, I like having my paperwork. I don't know where the paperwork went. So, yeah. Okay, let me show you the cards and then we'll put one together real fast. So, these are images from the paper stash I just showed you. And I put a bow. I cut these. This is a pain. But see how well it cuts? And it's an easel card. And it's got the clear acetate. Let me open it. And it says joy and peace. Isn't that pretty? So we can set that one right here. And then here is Anna's glitter. She does have glitter cardstock. And this is the white glitter. And that's glitter. Everything that I'm showing you is all Anna's supplies. And celebrate the season. So isn't that cute? Move that out of the way. There we go. Here's another one. I didn't do a lot because I love the scenes. So I added the bows. I think the bows were really nice. And that says joyful greetings. I tried to coordinate the paper. It's got flyaways I need to clean up. Yeah, it's got glue flyaways. I need to clean it up. I added this here, but I tried to have the paper match the scene, match the glitter cardstock and stuff. So yeah, make sure that you have the stopper at a good location, because if it's too far up, this doesn't lean as much, or it leans too much maybe. That one's just barely right where it belongs. It should go up a little more. Here's another one. This lighting is driving me crazy. I already told Johnny what I wanted for my Christmas present, and it was a shop light. I don't know how that's going to work. And then those lights that are covered. I don't know. I may not. I have got 4 lights right here plus above, so it's 5 lights already. Let it snow. But I love how the green and this green was added, and the stuff was added. I love how the green and gold go together. There's flyaways. It's always flyaways because I use glue. But see how this little scene with the people, little kids, the red, and this red just pops. Pop, pop, pop. And then they're carrying holly, so I put holly here, and I use holly paper, and 'tis the season. So I do think about it a little bit. Okay, so we're ready to move these out of the way. I showed you 5, and I have 1 more to make, so that's 6. Okay. So I've already prepped. So here's that die. Here's the stopper. Here's the bow. I wanted to show you when you cut it out of the glitter like I did here. When you cut out this part, I stick others in and I don't waste anything. So yeah. Here's the snowman that I didn't use, but I think you would need to get a pen and make the face or ink it somehow. It says Christmas, Merry Christmas. I think I was going to put this on the stopper. And here is the shadow layer, and here is what I chose, and the acrylic. It all came together. So okay, here's the card easel, and I folded it, and this is all Anna's supplies and everything that came together. And then I put tape here, so let's take this off. I can't believe there's so many dies that I have that I've never used, and I'm like, I really need to do that. So I want this to be about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but I have it about 1/4 of an inch, and now I know the glue is there. So let me make it really stick well. Okay, now I'm going to go back and I'm going to re-burnish that. Okay, so there's your easel, and see how it matches? Now if you would like to do extra, you could cut more and have a stopper right about here, and it would be really pretty. You could even have a scene in here, but I don't ever put the extra because I give them away and I'm like, oh, that's double the card and double the money. So okay, so now let's do this. You know, I was gonna pop dot. No, I don't pop dot that. I'm talking about this right here. I usually think, I thought I was gonna pop dot it, but I'm not. So let's just try to center this about 1/8 with it around. Okay, then this has to go on. You can feel where it's been cut. There's a front and back. So put the edge that's smooth to the top. I don't know why the frame's gonna, but I just put a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue there to hold it in place, because that frame is going to actually then come into play. So it's there. Okay. I did pop dot this on 1 or 2, and it was so thin, it was cracking, it just was not working. So now I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. Okay, and there is flyaways, and there always, but I'll clean that up. And I am going to put it where I think looks the best. And that's glued just there. Here I go coughing because I'm talking to you. Okay, so I put it there. But I now need to glue it everywhere else. And this is what I do. Oh, it's already wanting to come off. It didn't have a lot of glue. Try not to get it too much. Just, I have a fine tip, but if you have a big tip, it would ooze out. So let me try to put this where it goes. Hide all those creases. So that's glued down, and there's flyaways on the plastic that I'll have to get my heat gun and get that off, because I see it, you probably can't, and it drives me crazy. Okay. Oh, that's a little crooked. Okay. Let me see if I can get this off. It's crooked. Well, we're learning something together here. Okay. Whew. It's going to be a little bit raised now because there's so much glue on it, which is okay. It's like a pop dot, but with glue. Let's do that again, and let's make sure I only glue right there. Okay, let's put it where it belongs, and let's make sure that this is straight. Okay, I can still feel it. It's hot. Let me go ahead and do the bottom part this time instead of the top. I might have been pulling on it, and I'm just gluing it in just a little bit of spots. I'm not gluing all of it. That doesn't need to be glued in between all those creases. But this does need to be. So, ooh, the flyaways drive me crazy. I need a silicone type base for my glue gun, and I think that would stop a lot of the flyaways, because right now it's a wood base and it just, so I saw it on Amazon, had it in my cart, and then I didn't buy it. I saved the $20. Actually, I had it in my hands at Tuesday mornings, and I didn't buy it for $20. I should have done that. But I thought 20 was expensive, but apparently it's not. It wasn't Amazon, it was Tuesday mornings. Okay, so there we go. Look, guys, you would have never known it if you didn't see that. It is fixed. Now, you know, because of the humidity in Texas and Florida, that I use glue, hot glue on these stickers. I'm going to secure it to the paper. Then I'm going to go back, and this is double pop dotted. It's got too high. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to put it where I think looks pretty good and straight. You have a few seconds to line it up and make sure it's level. And there we go. Okay, and then this is going to be a sticker, but I'm not pulling it off. I'm just keeping it more structured, and I'm putting it right here. It just matches Too Good Not To. It says Merry Christmas. I found yesterday a couple of hollies, and I didn't know why they were laying on my table, and now I know, because they go for this. This has, she's holding holly bushes, so I have them right here. Just give me 2 seconds, and I will get some more. Now, these holly stickers are from Anna, and they are, some are silver. These are the silver ones, and these are gold. I'm going to use the silver ones, but I'm going to use the gold ones because I want it to match the gold frame. Ugh, I hate this noise. So, what I mean by gold is it has gold glitter. So it needs a couple. So let's just grab a couple. It can be different sizes. So put one. I don't know if I want that big of a size. Yeah. So these are stickers, but I don't take them out because some of it is not going to be totally glued down. and if I peel it, it'll have the sticky back there, and it might get dust or be sticky. So let's just use my glue gun and put glue where I think I need it, not even on the top part, and I'm going to stick it like that. And then I'm going to take this little one, and is that too small? Let me see. Maybe I need a bigger one here. That's too big. Might have to go back to the one I had originally, the small one. Nope, see. Alright, let me just go back to this one. And I'm going to, see, I try to get it to match together. Something like that. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. So, and you leaving the sticker backing on, it makes this a little bit stronger. So there we go. So I just did that tutorial, quick and easy and noisy with the wrapping. So all my links are down below. Thank you so much for taking the time and joining me today. I hope you liked all my projects. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye-bye.